Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make just a beautiful necklace with just a bit of string and a scissor, something to hang from the necklace. I'm choosing this one. I don't know what it is, but it looks sort of like a key, and that's why I'm going to put it on there. Anyway, so you'll need actually quite a bit of string. Maybe, like more than your neck. Let's just say about, a wingspan. Yeah, maybe 1/3, 2/3 of a wingspan. That's about it. Like 2/3 of your height, and then just cut it. Since I'm not really good at, you know, getting rope cut, so I'll just do that. And the first thing that you should do is that fold your rope in half. Exactly half. And let's just say, okay, so here are two strings, and make the string number 2. I'm just gonna call this string number 2 and string number 1. Make these two not equal length, but string number 2 a bit longer than string number 1. And now we're going to make a hangman's knot. And what we're going to do is sort of just put this about here. I mean, you could just put it in right now. I'm just going to demonstrate how you would put it in here. But if it is the like open system, if there's an opening here, you can put it on later. But I'm just going to do it now. So what you're going to do is focus on this end, and then bring rope number 2 round here until you see sort of a 2 pattern emerging. Then we're just going to wrap this rope around these 3 bundles of rope for like 8, 7, maybe 9 times, and then sort of tighten them. Do these steps delicately, since, well, it's a necklace, and if you do it this way, it will look better. Just wrap it around, and wrap it still around. Okay, so you can see here that there are like 3 strings right here, which looks kind of cool. So I'll still be doing these, and then tightening them a bit more until you get approximately 8 or 7 of them, and all 8 or 7 of them looks something like this. Yeah, you can see all of these here. Okay, now let's make a few more before we sort of just end it. Yeah, 3 more. Yeah, that's gotta be it. And then tighten it a teeny tiny bit more. Okay. Once you sort of get this, the last thing that you'll need to do is, well, finish the knot. And then you can see over here that there is a loop. So just make this string go through this knot, and then tighten it on this side. Yeah. Now we see the hangman's knot, and then just tighten it right here. So you'll see something like this. Then finally, you can see why we left so many rope at this end, since we're making a necklace and we would have two sides that are approximately the same length. And after you do that, we're going to make a triple fisherman's knot. I don't know if you actually have those, but yeah, a triple fisherman's knot. And essentially what you're going to do is sort of just make this shape right here and then make it come down and then wrap it around these two strings for about 3 times. This, make it go in it, and then make it go in again, and for the third and final time. After you do that, just tie it so you'll get one of those knots, and then tie it on the other end as well for 3 times. Or you can do less. I mean, 1 or 2 is probably okay, but I'm going with 3 just to be safe, and it makes the necklace more elegant. Or you can go with 2 and 3. Nothing will go wrong with that as well. Then after you do that, you have 2 knots, and then just pull on these 2 until you have a tight knot right here. Then just cut it down to a little bit, and if your rope needs a little bit of burning, burn it, and there you go. We have gotten our necklace finished, and it's pretty right here. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.